Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying very positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, and I should say last night, Bitcoin was absolutely pumping, and it's still pumping today, hitting 106,000 Australian dollars. Absolutely ridiculous. Loving these crypto gains. It's absolutely wild. I'm just going to turn off my speakers here because my emails are going parabolic today. It's absolutely wild. But anyway, we've got a lot of news today to get through. And yes, my trading bots are literally going nuts as well. Experts are predicting Bitcoin to hit 200,000 US dollars. I agree with that. It is just inevitable. There is too much demand and not enough supply. Seriously, it's crazy. And the halving event coming up next month is just going to increase the demand and again reduce that 900 Bitcoin to what, 450 Bitcoin per day? Ridiculous. Anyway, the first gold ETF as well took 2 years to hit $10 billion, which is crazy. And Bitcoin ETFs literally did that in 2 weeks. Absolutely unbelievable. We've also got MicroStrategy announcing $600 million in convertible senior notes offering for Bitcoin acquisition. This guy is unbelievable. He literally wants to keep accumulating as much Bitcoin as possible. We've got the SEC, of course, pushing back on the Ethereum ETFs. Thank you, Gary Gensler, for absolutely nothing. And we've got Shiba Inu and meme coins going parabolic. There are whales that are buying this up absolutely big, like huge amounts of money. Just be careful with that. We're going to talk about that as well. And again, we've got a timeline for this XRP ETF as well. It is inevitable. All of these ETFs will come into play. It's just a matter of time. Anyway, let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking wild in this space. I love it. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my #1 golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right, ladies and gents, the formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab. Top altcoins in my portfolio today. Shiba Inu's up 77% in 24 hours. Ridiculous. Remained 57%. CKB Nervos Network. Is that how you say it? Nervos, whatever. Again, it's up 35%. We have Pitbull. It's just a gamble with a friend of mine. That's up 35%. And Win, which again is a gaming coin, that is up 27%. Again, this is crazy. It took 2 years for the gold ETFs to hit $10 billion of assets under management. This has now taken 2 weeks for Bitcoin. Mind blown. And again, yes, Bitcoin did pump this morning, and it was, I think it's still around the same level. We'll have a look in a moment. At $105,000 and $106,000. Breaking records literally on every continent around the world. Ridiculous. It's awesome. Absolutely love it. Quick look at coin market cap today. We're all very greedy here, ladies and gents, because it's the fear and greed index is sitting at 90 at the moment. Anyway, it's human nature. Total crypto market cap in US dollars is $2.52 trillion, $171 billion in volume. I've been saying for a long time that once we get up to the $130, $150 billion in volume, things are going to get pretty wild. And again, we've got Bitcoin dominance sitting at 53%. And again, Bitcoin sitting at $68,524 at the time of recording. And we are at the 5th of March today. Crazy. And we're not that far from the all-time high of Bitcoin. And I think we're going to soar past that well and truly. Ethereum sitting at 3,627. We have Solana at $131 US. I bought this when it was like, you know, 50 or 60 US dollars. I think, no, even less than that. It was like 30 Australian dollars when it collapsed with FTX. Ridiculous. XRP 65 cents, up 5.46%. Very, very bullish. Moving down, Doge 19 cents, Cardano 77 cents, Shiba Inu 88%. Wow. This is crazy. Absolutely insane. In 7 days, it's up 316%. I'm still holding on to my Shiba Inu. I have not sold it, so we'll see where we go with that one. AVAX is at $42, Polkadot $9, TRX 14 cents, Lynx at $20, Matic $1.28, BCH $459. My bots are going parabolic on BCH. Litecoin $89, ICP $13. Very, very nice, ladies and gents. Immutable X at $3, XLM, bullish on XLM is at 15 cents. Hedera 12 cents. Now, Optimism $3.90 was mentioned on CNBC late last night. And again, if you're not watching financial news channels like CNBC and Bloomberg, get onto it. It's very important. And again, watching normal TV will literally rot your brain. So it's amazing to see the difference on these finance channels and what they talk about. I mean, just alone on CNBC, just off topic here about cryptos, but they talk about, you know, luxury lifestyles, golf, sports, finance, world news, and of course, cryptocurrencies. I mean, this is pretty much all they talk about, and this basically makes the world turn around. So if you're not watching this stuff, get onto it, all right? Just some helpful advice there. VeChain back below 5 cents. Ugh. Anyway, moving on. Pepe's pumping 31%. The meme coins are going parabolic. Bonk also, not that I'm invested in Bonk, that's 45%. And of course, we have Say at 77 cents. Sui is down today. It's $1.46, and Quant is at $128. People need to be patient. All of these coins that you see here will be pumping in the bull market. It's inevitable. Again, these prices, how can I say this? I use Axie Infinity. I've got an itchy nose. I don't even know why. Because I'm speaking so much. The Axie Infinity. Okay, I was dollar cost averaging into Axie Infinity at $80+. Neo was like $20 or $30 at the time. A lot of coins were a lot more. So just let that one sink in for a moment. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Again, I do have the Wall Street Bull University link below. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots, all of the 3 commas trading bots on OKX, which are absolutely smashing it. People are making some serious gains in this. We're up over 900 plus members. It's incredible. Thank you so much to every single one of you. There's 1,816 posts in here. Juicy information. Go sign up to that. It's absolutely ridiculous. You can speak to everybody in the chat feature as well, and you can DM me. But guys, please bear in mind, there's so many people here. I can't get to your direct messages straight away. It takes me some time. So just keep that one there and join up to the Wall Street Bull University. I've kept this at $5 a month, $8.50 Australian. It's absolutely nothing compared to what people are making in this, guys. Anyway, having a look at 3 commas. Now, again, the links for 3 commas are below. I've been using them for about 2.5 years and have gone really bullish on it now. We're coming up to the 11th to 12th month mark. With 3 commas, I've been going pretty hard at it. It's incredible as well. And I was using it in the previous bull market and saw some pretty incredible gains. But because of the knowledge that I've built up over this time period, getting to know the software, getting to know trading, indicators, how to set things up, how to trade with leverage. Again, I've just educated myself. And if you haven't gotten the books, by the way, all of the books that you need in your daily life are linked below. So make sure you grab a copy of each one of those books, keep them at home, read them, educate yourself. But I'm trading the spot market without leverage. And again, I've done this because we're entering a full-blown bull market, which is really nice. Again, that's doesn't run the risk of liquidations because it's just trading, buying and selling. The other bots that I've got running, and by the way, I've got 75 trading bots running. Now, the leverage bots on the perpetuals, I've got multi-bots set up, so I'm trading all the perpetual contracts on OKX with 15x leverage, and the single pairs also on 15x leverage using an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame. All of these bots have been set up to take 1.5% profits. All right, so it's incredible. Go check it out. 3 commas down below. You'll get a discount on the monthly. And, of course, if you buy it the year, you'll get a discount on that as well. Having a quick look at OKX, we're currently up $816 today. ridiculous. On the week, we're up 4,546. That's 31%. And on the month, it just blows my mind. 91% return. That's $9,141 in a month. And now, I mean, I know a lot of friends of mine and people that have to work very hard for that. So go check it out. It's ridiculous. And you can use this on multiple exchanges. We've got some profit there. So I'm actually just quickly going to pull that out. And this is what I do. When I see a bit of profit in there, I'll just pull it out and move that into my funding wallet. We'll see how we go. If it just wants to do that, keeps dropping down because the bots are actually trading with that capital. Anyway, I'm just going to leave that there. Anyway, so I've got 256 open orders in the book and 133 current positions at the moment trading. It is impossible to do this day trading. It just you wouldn't be able to do this unless you're sitting there for hours and hours. And again, we just don't have the time, that luxury of time, I should say, to sit in front of a computer all day. Anyway, here are the positions in profit: $2.50, $1.70, $1.90. A couple liquidations, but very minimal. $3 right there, $1.25, 103.46, 367. 1.5% profits doesn't sound like a lot, but when you multiply that by how many positions have we got open at the moment, 133, it does add up, right? So that's the benefit of using 3 commas. Go check it out. It's in the Patreon. Join up. Just a bullish community. Absolutely love it. You will not regret it. Anyway, quick look at crypto bubbles. Our eCash was one that I was looking at a long time ago. It's up 118% on the week, 144 on the year, and 69% on the day. Still in the pennies. Doge, of course, 29%. That's nice. Shiba Inu's pumping at 88%. Ridiculous. It's still up 76 on the year, 360% on the month. Mind blown. Anyway, yes, Bitcoin is literally smashing records around the world in all currencies. It's incredible. And it is just the beginning. Experts say that $200,000 is imminent. Cannot wait for this as well. So Bitcoin is indeed nearing its record high of $69,000, with the experts foreseeing a trajectory towards $200,000. This surge is attributed to various factors such as the Bitcoin ETFs and growing institutional adoption. A lot of institutions are buying Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and collapsing US dollar, pretty much. And on Friday, Blackrock's iShares Bitcoin Trust surpassed $10 billion in assets under management after acquiring a record $612 million of inflows in one day. Madness. And according to the popular price analyst Plan B, Bitcoin is about to go on a massive parabolic bull run that will last the rest of the year. Now, I get a lot of questions about this as well. When to take profits? It's completely up to you when you're going to take profits. If you are, needing the cash or for whatever reason, I would suggest taking small profits regularly once you've seen those gains. And obviously, you can do what you wish with that money. But again, never invest anything more than you can afford to lose. And don't go taking out loans to buy cryptocurrencies either. Moving on, yes, 65K, it's pumping at the moment, guys. Bitcoin ETFs are smashing records all over the world. And it basically took 2 years for gold ETFs to hit $10 billion. 2 years, and Bitcoin's done it in 2 weeks. And it makes you really think what's coming in the next 12 to 24 months for crypto and Bitcoin. It's going to be absolutely wild. Yes, MicroStrategy is announcing $600 million convertible senior notes offering for Bitcoin acquisition. He's an absolute savage. I've seen him live on the screen with his boat in the background. Unbelievable. He plans to raise $600 million through convertible senior notes offering to purchase more Bitcoin for general corporate purposes. And the offering targets qualified institutional buyers with notes maturing in 2030. And the options for conversion into MicroStrategy's Class A common stock, which is interesting. And following the announcement, MicroStrategy stock rose 23% but fell 5% after hours trading as the company continues to bolster its Bitcoin holdings, now totaling 193,000 Bitcoin. 193,000 Bitcoin. Holy moly. Yes, and we do have the SEC pushing back on the Ethereum ETFs as well. They have basically delayed it again. Its decision on the spot Ethereum ETF applications from Blackrock and Fidelity, as analysts continue to tip May as the month to watch. So April, May, after Bitcoin halving. It's going to be interesting. Now, these Shiba Inu whales, Bonk, Pepe, all of these meme coins, this is what these whales do. They have serious cash. They load up on their, coins. They make 10, 20, 30% on millions of dollars. That's a few hundred, if not 500,000, 800,000, whatever it is. And then they cash that out on the, young kids, so to speak. So be careful with this. I'm not basically going to be buying any more meme coins. I've had my time with that. I'm focused on real world utility, stuff that's going to change the financial world forever. That's where my main focus is. But nice to see gains either way. And XRP ETF news, where are we going with this? But a key analyst has projected a timeline to expect the Blackrock XRP ETF. Bring it on. And online crypto pundits have outlined timelines when to expect a $10 trillion asset manager BlackRock to disclose genuine paperwork to create an XRP spot ETF. And BlackRock has been reigning the ETF landscape from obviously Bitcoin. However, the fate of the US-listed XRP ETF hangs in the balance, as BlackRock has yet to signal any concrete plans to introduce a comparable investment product for XRP. Nonetheless, members of the XRP community persist in their demand for a share of the lucrative ETF market. They believe XRP warrants an ETF. I agree with that one. Citing regulatory clarification as a non-security and following the pivotal court ruling in 2023. However, the XRP lawsuit has, again, yet to be concluded, which it will be for sure. But there will be an XRP ETF. I'm 100% certain on that, as well as many other ETFs, because it's inevitable. It's a new asset class. There's going to be different sectors, and we may even see like an S&P 500 for crypto. Now, just getting through the buy flow, we've got money going into ETH, Doge, Solana, BNB, Bitcoin. We've got Bonk, Floki, not that I'm investing in those, WorldCoin, Matic, Phantom, and eCash. Interesting. Let's go to X, and then I'll end up on this, guys. And yes, thank you to those 6,182 people. I really appreciate every single one of you, and you're following the actual real account, because there's so many fake ones out there. It's nuts. Moving on, let's have a look here. Yes, $170 billion in volume. This is where bull market territory is. Yes, Shiba Inu whales are literally buying up big. Be careful with this. Just don't go investing stupid money. $68,000 Bitcoin today. That is the 5th of March. Very, very nice to see that. Bitcoin just closed its highest daily candle ever. Really, really nice to see that as well. The Bitcoin ETF's volume today came in at 5.5 billion, making it the second highest volume day so far. Vanguard literally has 0. They're missing out big time with this. Scrolling down, the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 90 right now. Have a listen to Brad Garlinghouse on the, again, these XRP ETFs. Have a listen to this. This absolute legend. All right, have a listen.
Tokens. I think you'll even see ETFs potentially around baskets that also, I think, further diversify that risk.
Are you in?
Very, very nice right there. I'm not going to play because I'm going to get in trouble for the music. But anyway, Ryan Selks, the last time Bitcoin was this high, the Fed fund rate was 0.08%. Today, it's 5.33%. If you sell now, there's no saving you. 100% agree with that. Moving on as well, a lot of Bitcoin news. Now, we've got just in, Bitcoin is now more valuable than Facebook owner Meta. Very, very nice. Silver and Google are next on the target list, which is wild. Moving on, yes, Jim Cramer putting out Bitcoin will not break $69,000. Well, where are you now, Jim? Ex-Ripple chief marketing strategist Corey Johnson says XRP is Bitcoin on steroids. 1,000, again, XRP is equal to $1 million. Let's see where that one goes, all right? I can't wait for that. Thanks, Jack the Ripper, for that as well. Bitcoin has become the world's most popular investment asset. Very, very nice. And there are 10 Bitcoin ETFs, a virtual lock to clock their second biggest volume today. So it looks like a big bump up in trading activity. Last week was more new normal than, and again, an anomaly right here. And thank you, Eric Balkanus, right here. And again, all-time highs for Bitcoin today. It's just an absolute bullish day. But again, my main focus is utility coins. Going to the watch list, I have a utility coin list. Again, these for me are where the real money is being made right here. And again, it's going to take time for these to go parabolic, but real world utility. Solana's in there, guys. It's up, 1% today to 131 US dollars. XRP is 66 cents. Very, very nice. And yes, I do have to put optimism in here. It's not in my list, but I do hold that. It's definitely one on the list to put on here. But anyway, that is it, Bulls. Thank you very much. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning, wherever you are in the world. And if it's morning, have an espresso like I'm going to do now. Take care of yourselves. Join the Wall Street Bull University. You will not regret it. to get an insight in what's going on with these trading bots. All right, take care of yourselves. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.